Does anyone want to shout out a guess at how much they think Hercules weighs?
10 pounds.
No.
I heard a bit of a range there. I think I heard someone say 10 pounds, and I think I heard someone say 50 pounds.
I'm saying 40.
Yeah, a lot of good guesses out there, but 10 pounds was actually the closest. He weighs about 8 pounds. So he is pretty light. He's mostly feathers, to be honest with you. And he also has about half the blood volume you might expect from an animal his size. And although his bones aren't exactly hollow like some sources say, oh, we're doing the eagle dance now. Get up here, Herc. Whoa, I'm dizzy now. Okay, we're good. You want to hop up here? Maybe you'll be more comfortable up there. Good job. All right.